how to access analytics in LinkedIn. In order to access LinkedIn's analytics, you need to click the me icon on the home page. So basically, you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and that you're updated the application to the latest version. To begin with, click on the me icon from the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to go ahead and click on view all analytics from the list. So once you click on this following option, you'll then be able to scroll down to the analytics section right on this page. And next, what you want to do is click on show all analytics, and from here you could view detail on post impressions, total followers, and more as well. And for specific content or a post, you could click the me icon once again and then click on view. And under manage, you could go to post and activity and find the post that you'd like to analyze. And this way, you'll be able to, or you could then select the different reposts like content, visitor, follower, etc. And that is how you'll be able to access analytics in LinkedIn. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.